Stress in fish farming is something that you must take good care if you want to maximize the profit or the outcome of your fish farm. And when it comes to the stress, we are going to categorize it into two. We have stress in the fish themselves. I also have stress in you as a farmer. We had a previous video on stress in fish, especially catfish. And we have had the courses how to identify stress in fish and how to prevent stress in fish. You can check that one out in the description. But this video, we are going to focus on stress in you as a farmer. If you are a fish farmer, there are times that you have or you will go through stress, whether you like it or not. So we are going to look at some of the causes of such stress and how to overcome such stress to maximize your production. Because the stress in you as a farmer will kill your spirit and subsequently will lead to loss of fish in your farm. So please stay watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and all we do in this channel is to share tips based on our experience and research. Before you delve into the fish farm, you might have done your homework by making detailed research about the productivity. So despite this research that you have done, you are really going to face challenges. And such challenges is going to stress you. For instance, when you face challenges of mortality, or your fish are dying through outbreak of disease or whatever reason, because of the fear and the panic is going to stress you. Secondly, when you have financial constraints, you have started your fish farm, you are producing your fish, it gets to a time you don't have feed, you don't have money to buy feed. That's financial constraint. Or you want to put in more money to get more results, but there's not that money to put in or to invest in. It will take you through stress. So financial burden or constraint will also put you as a fish farmer to get stressed. Another way to get stressed is market fluctuation. There are times that the market will be very low, or there's not even market at all, or the prices of the fish will be very low. And when you calculate, you realize that when you sell your fish at the market price at that time, you are not going to even break even, not to talk of making profits. In that case, you'll be stressed. Or you produce your fish to the maximum capacity that you want to sell them out, yet you don't have market to sell them. It's going to stress you. There are several ways that will lead you to stress as a farmer. Now, how do you overcome this stress? To begin with, you need to make sure that you focus on what you have control over. There are certain things that you cannot control it. For instance, you don't have control over the weather, the hot weather fluctuation, or the cool weather that will make your fish to go through stress, and that will stress you as a farmer. You don't have control over that. So don't worry much about it. Once you provide your protection, leave the rest to the nature. Secondly, you don't have control over the market, whether the low price or the availability. You can do create circumstances, but you don't have much control over these things. So don't worry much about that. But focus on things that you can control. Your feeding schedule, your pond management. And that brings us to another way of overcoming stress. Make sure that you provide adequate and good fish pond management. And when you are doing so, it means that as you manage your farm, you will not have your fish being stressed, you will not face mortality, and you will be having strong mind and no stress in the fish and no stress for you as a farmer. Also, make sure that you find time to rest. Because there's a saying that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and all play and no work makes Jack a lazy boy. We've all been hearing this popular saying. What it means is that despite you are working continuously all the time, it's also leading to stress. So find time to rest. Give yourself some rest. Give yourself some break. Reward yourself. When you make some money, dash yourself something, enjoy yourself, rest, and you have another open mind to continue your farm work. But always be in the farm, always working in the farm will take you through stress. Another way to minimize stress is to network with other farmers. When you network with them and they share their experience, you share yours with them, you get solutions from them, and you even get or hear things that you thought were hunting you. And you hear stories from that, you realize that you are even in better condition, and that will release you small. So network with other farmers. That is, you can have connection with them in platforms, it could be physical or social media platforms. Another way to have some stress release is delegate. Delegation is very important. If you are doing the one-man show, it will get to a time you'll be stressed up. Get people to assist you. Get people to help you. Get farm work. And that doesn't mean that you give everything to them and relax. Let them help you. They will do something at one end. You also will do something at the other end. So you don't have so much burden on you. And in your absence, they can be there to serve you. But during one man show, you will be stressed. Please, I don't want to prolong this video, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you do so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I watch other videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.